I mean, the weather today is cooperating, and this morning, I mean, it's chilly, but it's January. I mean, we could be sub-zero in terms of wind chill. There's not much wind out here right now, and by later on, we're going to be warming up into the 40s.
Well, yesterday was so nice.
It was beautiful. It's going to be a very similar day, too. We're in the 20s and 30s right now, 36 in Boston, 26 in Taunton. We're in the upper 20s to low 30s here on the field at Gillette. But here's the thing. Once the sun comes up, we're going to rebound pretty quickly. Check out this hour by hour. 43 degrees by 11 a.m. You're coming out here and tailgating in the mid-40s by 1 p.m., 47 for kickoff. It'll be a blend of sun and clouds today. Once the sun sets just before 5 p.m., the temperatures will cool off pretty quickly, 45 by 5 p.m. and mid-30s by 7 p.m. with just a few increasing clouds towards the end of the game. The wind is not going to be an issue either, though. For most of us, it should be less than 10 miles per hour during the course of the day today. Barry Burbank's in studio, and Barry, I know by later on tomorrow and into Tuesday, that's our next disturbance, but it looks like it'll be mostly rain this time around.
Yeah, it's going to warm up quite a bit, Danielle, by the time we get most of that precipitation. But when it begins a little bit tomorrow, we could have a little bit of a problem. I'll show you that shortly. The average high for this date, 35 degrees in Boston. And so far today, we've had a high since midnight of 34. The record is 68 back in 1906. And in Boston right now, the temperature is 36 degrees, and the wind chill is 36. And because the wind is calm, there's no wind at all, so the wind chill temperature and the air temperature is exactly the same. And that's the good news, is we're going to have calm winds or just a very slight breeze most of the day. Unlike what happened yesterday when there was a lot of wind and it was very gusty. In some places had wind gusts of 40 miles an hour. Then it started dropping off late in the day. We had one weak front go through yesterday. There's the more important one back up in here, but it's not coming down very fast. There's not much thrust behind it. So we're really not going to turn cold today, and there's not going to be any precipitation either, although there is going to be varying amounts of cloudiness, as Danielle mentioned, more coming in from the west, and a lot of that's going to be streaming in, so we'll have a cloudy, dank day tomorrow. But the cloudiness will be sort of wavering around today as temperatures go in the upper 40s around near Boston and points south, and then for tonight it falls back down the 30s, and few upper 20s off to the north and west by daybreak tomorrow. As a little light precipitation in the form of some drizzle starts breaking out, a few sprinkles of a little bit of light rain, but there may be a little bit of a mix across northern Massachusetts and into southern New Hampshire, where mostly snowflakes will fall there tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. So there could be some small accumulations up here, especially late in the day and tomorrow night, but that shouldn't be the case down here in southern New England. As this front, warm front, grows across the region, the cold front to the north will sort of settle in here. There'll be a weak frontal boundary, and the cold air drapes down here just enough leakage of cold air to cause that precipitation to be in the form of a little bit of a mix tomorrow morning. But then on Tuesday, as the warm air floods up here ahead of this system here, it's really going to be warm, and we're going to be going up to the middle 50s. Here's my forecast for the next 7 days, and it's kind of flopping all around, kind of on a roller coaster ride here. It goes down tomorrow with that light rain and mist and drizzle and some fog around some areas of some freezing drizzle and some snow up north. Then the heavy rain on Tuesday, especially late in the morning, the first half of the afternoon, with perhaps thunder and lightning in a few spots. And then it gets cooler, 40, so the sun comes back out on Wednesday. And then much colder on Thursday. Early morning clouds leave. Still a gusty wind Wednesday and Thursday, windy days. And it looks like it's going to be warm. Anna Rittis, I think next weekend will be 50 on Saturday and probably going even higher than that on Sunday.